Hi guys, welcome back to Graceful Beauty. This is part 2 of the subscription box reviews for the month of May. And the next subscription box I'm going to review is IPSY. Who wouldn't love to get this pink envelope in the mail once a month? It's just the color of this alone gets me so excited when I see it sitting at the mailbox, and I cannot wait to rip this thing open. Now, I will say of all of my inexpensive beauty box subscriptions, IPSY has by far been my absolute favorite. I have subscribed to them for, I don't know, maybe 4 years, something like that, and I really get some amazing products in here. This is only $10 a month, and I often get full-size products in here. And a lot of my makeup brushes that I use, I get them in here. So what IPSY does is they always send the little bag in this beautiful pink envelope. I mean, I know these envelopes are just cheap, but I guess it's just the color. I love this color. So each month it comes with a makeup bag. This month is just a pretty summery color. It's this orange and yellow one, and it looks like it has passport stamps all over it. And let's see what's inside. The first thing that I thought was really great is there is a makeup blending sponge, and I have not tried this one yet, but it feels really nice. Now, I've gotten some blending sponges in my beauty box subscriptions before, and I have not liked them. So the only two so far that I absolutely love, I love the Beauty Blender, but it's $20 for a blending sponge. And so the one that I've been using for the past couple years is by Real Techniques, and that is very inexpensive, and I'll leave links down below where you can get those as well. But this one seems really nice, so once I try it out, I'll let you know. I don't even know what brand it is, so I'll have to look on their website, and I'll leave a link down below what blending sponge this is. But I mean, first of all, the color is gorgeous, and I like that there's a tapered edge, so you could use it for, under your eyes or in the corners of your nose, things like that. The next item is from a brand that I absolutely love. Actually, I have their lip products on today, but this is a color that I will never wear. This is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. And I mean, it's a gorgeous, gorgeous color, but it's just not my color. Deep dark reds like this, they just make me look a lot older, and I definitely don't want to look older. But I'm gonna swatch it for you here. I mean, it's a beautiful color. It's like a berry red. And I love these soft matte lip creams. This is in the shade Monte Carlo. This is the one I have on today. This doesn't come in the bag. I just got this at Walgreens or Amazon, I can't remember. But this is called Cairo, and this is the same thing. They're soft matte lip cream, and this is such a pretty nude pinky peach color. And let's see if you can see that. And look how smooth these are. These are just beautiful. And they say that they're matte, but they're not that drying matte that makes your lips get all wrinkly afterwards. Now, I don't wear this alone. I wear a little bit darker color, and then I put this in the center of my lips, and then I just pop a little bit of lip gloss on. But this is such a pretty color because it's just makes your lips look a little bit bigger. The next product I got is something that I'm excited to try. It's by First Aid Beauty, or FAB, which you've probably seen this in stores. And this is their Ultra Repair Hydrating Serum. And this is just a nice, clear serum. It's like it has some peptides in it, hyaluronic acid, a licorice root, and a radish root extract. So I think this will be really nice and moisturizing and hydrating and plumping the skin. And what's really nice is it's allergy tested and it's fragrance free. And this is also made in the USA. So the next product is by Moly, and I've used products in this brand before, but I haven't tried this yet. And this is called Painting Therapy Pack. It's a sebum control black color clay mask, and it just looks like it has kaolin and all the different things that you see in the clay mask. So this might be nice, especially to put around your T-zone to help with your pores and oil control. And the last product in this month's IPSY is by Ven Effect. It is a micro exfoliant, and it is an ultra fine exfoliant. It says it has grapeseed, soy, pomegranate, and willow bark. It's supposed to gently remove any dead skin cells, keep your skin radiant, and it says it hydrates and improves the skin tone. This is just a nice, creamy exfoliant, and the granules in here are actually very, very fine. So this is something that I probably would try on my face because it feels very, very gentle. And there's not much of a scent either. So this seems really nice, and I look forward to trying this, and this is also made in the USA. That wraps it up for this month's IPSY bag. If you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up, and I hope you'll consider subscribing. If you do subscribe and you want to get notified when I post videos, just click the little bell when you subscribe and you will get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day.